Hey guys, it's me Abram and I'm here again, and today I'm here with my sister again. She might be in a lot of my videos cause like we're the ones that both plan videos, so yeah, but we're just right here making a little kind of vlog.
Yeah, it's only gonna be for like a couple minutes, so we better get to what we're doing. You're just gonna do some family stuff, and let's take you downstairs.
Hey guys, so we're outside in our back. Look at these cute dogs. These cute doggies. Like, God, they don't. Let me see them right here. See, look at all of them. Look at it. Those are the dogs. Get out.
Let's take you guys on the roof. I don't know if you guys can see. We better hurry up there, even because it's so hot. Oh, get away, boy. Sorry, dog drama. Hurry, Abram, hurry, hurry. You're gonna burn your feet to death.
Going on the balcony. What a pretty view. I don't know if you guys can see, but
Oh my goodness, the bird.
we need a lot of views and stuff.
Sorry, I'm just squinting. This is the top of it. We're on our balcony. I mean, like, kind of, there's stairs up there, and we go. Here's our pool. Yeah. Here's the lovely dog.
How did you twist it around?
Because I stopped it, and then I went back. Let's zoom in there. Where are they at? I think you guys can see them. Boom. Petunia is the one that's down there that you guys see. She's the cutest.
Look at our dog Weenie. He gets in the pool. I think he just got in there.
Yeah. Okay, let's go down. Oops, stepped on something.
Is it already?
It's really hot. Move.
Is it already 3 minutes?
Yes. We might end our vlog in a little while, but it's fine. Let's just get through this day. We might have a second vlog. Stay tuned. Ow, ow, ow. Stay tuned for the other video. We're gonna make challenge videos and stuff.
Oh, and guys, I forgot to tell you. That day our video was uploaded. That's the day we did that thing.
Look at our dog. There's our dogs, all 4 of them. We have another one, but it's at our Thea's house. Ow.
Staying at this house for a while. He's too crazy.
He's too crazy. He's been having puppy problems. This dog can get in the water. His name is Weenie. Yeah, Abram, go in there because you have shorts. See, look, guys. He goes in the water. He's a cute little dog. Other ones are like scared to get wet. He's getting out of there, shaking on. We're gonna go inside.
So guys, we're just gonna, like, in the next video, we're gonna be talking about stuff. Cause this,
I'll talk because you're not talking fast enough. Okay, guys, so we're done. And yeah, so subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned for the challenges that are coming out next. Bye.